Urgent. The perimeter is dead. Your outermost defenses mean absolutely nothing if a threat actor already holds the keys to the kingdom. Across the corporate landscape, the pain areas are identical: sprawling, unmonitored administrative access points left entirely exposed. When organizations ignore privileged identity management, they invite a catastrophic level of risk directly into their central nervous system. A single unmanaged credential is all it takes to collapse an entire network infrastructure from the inside. The solution requires an absolute lockdown of the identity layer. Privileged identity management is a mandate, and properly deployed CyberArk architecture stands as the only viable defense against total system compromise. Enterprises are desperate to seal these breaches, making the architects who can master these deployments the most sought-after assets in the modern security sector. Securing the perimeter demands flawless CyberArk Active Directory integration. Building an impenetrable safe management environment means forcing thousands of chaotic, unstructured access pathways into a unified security vault. This requires precise LDAP integration to control user additions, governed entirely by a strict user access matrix. We enforce isolation all the way down to object-level access control. But an unconfigured vault is just an empty box. Establishing authority means writing the operational law of the network, defining the overarching master policy while dictating the highly specific commands of the CPM platform policy. The defense extends to the very first click through privileged single sign-on. It maintains a constant friction with mandatory dual access control, and it provides undeniable accountability with session recording. For the enterprise operating at scale, we deploy the password upload utility for automatic accounts onboarding, the industrial-grade response to a massive infrastructure. And when the environment fractures, we face the reality of advanced troubleshooting. This requires managing the encrypted credential files for PVWA app, PSM app, and gateway users, executing precise resets under immense pressure. Because eventually, the worst-case scenario will arrive. We face the final tier of disaster recovery, the realm of the DR Vault, the DR CPM, and the DR PVWA. Theory isn't enough to stop an active breach. Elevating your PAM skills to the next level transforms IT knowledge into enterprise-grade authority. True proficiency is forged in real-world hands-on labs. You secure targeted interview preparation and 1-year access to recordings. This training is directly led by CyberArk experts, forging a clear, certification-ready path to total mastery. The window to secure your place at the forefront of identity and access management closes soon. The live class begins March 24, 2026. Claim your seat.